you. The question is here. The first term question is June 16, 11 variant, and question number 9. The first term of geometric progression in which all terms are positive is 15. So first of the geometric progression, okay, is a 50. So, and he mentioned all terms are positive. So the third term is 32. Okay, so first term, and okay, I'm writing the other way, T1 and T third. So what is given? First term is 50 and third term is 32. All right, and what he's asking for, that find a sum of infinity. Okay, geometric progressions, find a sum of infinity. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First part is, so what is technique to do it? Third term is given. So what is the third term formula? All of you know it. A r to power n minus 1. So this is the Tn, sorry. I replace every n by 3. When I place every n by 3, so T3 equal to A times 2. Okay, A value is 50. So I plug in here 50. And r to power 3 minus 1. But T3 value is 32. I plug in here 32. And r to power 2. It will go down. So it means this. It means it is 32 by 50. And if I check it, 32 by 50, it is becoming r square equals to 16 over 25. If I take a root of both sides, I get a plus and minus 4 over 5, but I will not take negative side. Reason, because he said common ratio is positive only. Don't take negative. One thing is very clear. As you know, the first value is 50, second is 32. It means the values from bigger to smaller is going on. And we have to stop till 0. No, sorry, 0. We should not go in negative answers. Anyway, he's asking us what here? Find sum of infinity and progression. So let's start. So some infinity formula is very clear. Formula A over 1 minus R. So A is 50 and common ratio is 4.5 here. And I'm getting S infinity is 250. Because if we type in calculator, 50 divided by 1 minus 4 over 5, it gives you 250. That's it. Part number 2 is important here. What is saying part 2? First 3 terms of arithmetic progression are this, this, and this. I want to just give a very important concept. When, for example, T1 and T2 and T3, these are in geometric progression. So then what is the connection? Then T3 divided by T2 is same T2 by T1. Like common ratio dividing by them is same answer, which T2 by T1. So this connection, this relationship between them. But if T1, T2, T3 in AP, in arithmetic progression, so formula will be the common difference of these numbers equal to common of these numbers. So common difference, so T3 minus T2, T3 minus T2 equal to T2 minus T1. So this connection I will use here. So this link we'll use here, and let's start. So 2 sine x, 3 cos x. 2 sine x, 3 cos x. And third term we have here a sine plus 2 cos x. Sine plus 2 cos x. And he mentioned that here. Check it here. He's saying first 3 terms of AP. So the first term, second term, and third term. And you know it very well. So T1, T2, and T3. So I can say clearly, according to condition, T3 minus T2 is same answer, T2 minus T1. So let's start. Sine x plus 2 cos x. This I kept here. And minus T2 is 3 cos x. So I kept it here. And now again, second term, 3 cos x minus first term, so 2 sine x. So simply solve it now. It is a very clear sense because I have to make a tan. Tan means sine over cos. All sine left side, all cos right side. So this cos will go there. But before, this will give you what? Minus cos. So I'm writing here, this minus cos will go there, become plus cos. So 3 cos x plus cos x. This 2 sine will go and add there, becomes 3 sine x. So ultimately 3 sine x equal to 4 cos x. Cos will go under this and 3 will go under 4. So change the places, it will turn to be this way. Sine over cos equal to 4 by 3. And it turns to be tan x over 4 over 3. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, proved. So this part is done. And now go for some of the first 20 terms. Some of the first 20 terms. So let's start. Some of the first 20 terms. So we know it very well that what is the basic criteria. We have to find what is some formula. Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into 2a and plus n minus 1 into d. Because he said some of the first 20 terms. So I will plug in, but we need what? First term, and we need common difference. First term, you can get it if I need a sine x value. Two approaches are there. I think I can do in a more accurate way. You have two choices are there. So tan is opposite by adjacent is x. I repeat my words. I can take tan inverse also, tan inverse of 4 by 3, but I will do the other way. So using a Pythagoras theorem, all of you know this is, for example, y to power 2 is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, and 16 plus 9, 25, and y become 5. It means y got a 5. If I say that, what is a 5? Is a 5 here. What is sine y, sine x value? So sine value is adjacent by hypotenuse. So 3 over 5. And if I ask what is the cos value, sir, you can ask me here. Opposite by, sorry, opposite. I did mistake here. Wait a minute. There's a mistake here. I will take this, not 3. Sorry. There's a sine is always called opposite by hypotenuse. So 4 will come here. And cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So it means 3 over 5 here. Now I'm going to use these values according to plan. What he said here, according to plan, that we know it, common difference is coming this minus that, okay? So I'm finding it now here. So let's try to find it. Okay, so I'm going to drag this slightly down because I need to find common difference. So common difference is what? 3 cos x minus 2 sine x. How come? Second term minus first term. But I replace this cos value is here and sine value here. And I'm just typing in calculator. So 3 times 2, 3 over 5. Yeah. And minus 2 times 2, 4 over 5. And answer is coming 1 over 5. Common difference very clear. And first term is very clear if I plug in this value here. So it becoming, first term is coming here and 9 over 5. I check again. 3 by 5 goes there. 3 to the 9 over 5. And then I plug in this value here and this value here. And I got it common difference. So let me recheck. 9 over 5 minus 8 over 5. And it's giving 1 by 5. Now just plug in the values. 20 terms. So n is 20. 2 times 2, 9 over 5. 2 times 2, 9 over 5. And 20 minus common difference, which is 1 over 5. So let's see how we can get answer. 10 times 2 in the bracket. 2 nines are 18 by 5 and plus 19 by 5. So let's see answers coming 74. So sum of the 20 terms is coming 74. I hope so. The point is very clear. Yes, sir, there's one mistake I have. Okay. Then the sine value, when I plug in this a value sine, 2 sine. So sine is 4. So 4 2s are 8. So this is not 9. I make correction. So this is 8 actually. That is why this is 8. And now I can get the right answer. So I plug in here 8 by 5. This is 8 by 5. And I got a 70. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. The point is now very clear. And the point is clear. And that's it.